Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing the AIRSEE electric spin scrubber. So they claim it makes cleaning a breeze. Well, you know me, I like to put stuff to the test. So let's go ahead and put this to the test. On the back, let's check out some stuff. So let's hit you with a couple really quick facts. It's got a 2400 mAh battery. It's IPX7 waterproof. It's got 2 rotating speeds and modes and a digital display. So right away we get a manual. You get 2 different thick bristle brushes. Then you also get these other pads with different grain. So for different uses. This one is like a foam and the others are more of a harder. Wow, so this is really nice. Simple design. 2 modes, you got low and then fast. And for these, you just simply put it on. Just like that. Under here is where you charge your device. They supply you with the USB cable as well. Just simply peel that off to put it on. Alright, let's get testing it out. Alright, before and after. So check this out. Look how beautiful it made our old sink. So can you see the line? You can see where we stopped. We just did the bottom. And you can see that line of the old metal and new. And this made it so much nicer. So if we take a look in our sink where we didn't do it, you can see naturally we have all these different scratches going in all different directions. But if you use this, you can actually get the scratches to flow with each other, and it molds into it and it looks so much nicer. We did up here a little bit and you can see the difference. It just brings everything to life. Now you can use this on all kinds of different things, even your toilets. Now if you're going to use your toilets, make sure you don't use the same end for your toilets as you do for other stuff. Overall, this works great. I'm absolutely thrilled with this. Works great.